Welcome back to Mind Might, the channel where we explore the limitless potential of the human mind. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating topic that can transform your life for the better: the power of hobbies. Hobbies are not just pastimes, they're powerful tools that can enhance your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. In this video, we'll showcase different hobbies and their incredible positive effects, share some engaging tips and tricks, and leave you eagerly anticipating our next mind-expanding content. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the world of hobbies, let's understand why they are so important. Engaging in hobbies can lead to reduced stress, enhanced creativity, and improved overall well-being. Studies have shown that they can boost your mood and even contribute to increased life satisfaction. But don't just take our word for it. Let's explore the fascinating world of hobbies. Discovering the world of hobbies. Gardening. If you have a green thumb or are interested in nurturing life, gardening is an incredible hobby. The act of tending to plants can reduce stress and provide a sense of accomplishment. Painting and art. Unleash your inner artist. Engaging in creative activities like painting can enhance your problem-solving skills and boost your self-esteem. Cooking. Experimenting with new recipes not only results in delicious dishes but also stimulates your senses and improves your culinary skills. Hiking and nature exploration. For nature enthusiasts, hiking is the perfect hobby. It connects you with the great outdoors and improves physical fitness. Photography. Capturing moments and creating memories is not only a hobby but also a form of self-expression. It can improve your observation skills and storytelling abilities. Tips and tricks for maximizing your hobby experience. Now that you've explored some fascinating hobbies, let's discuss how to make the most of your chosen activity. Time management. Allocate specific time for your hobby. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits. Skill progression. Set achievable goals to improve your skills. Tracking your progress can be highly satisfying. Connect with a community. Join local clubs or online forums related to your hobby. Sharing experiences and tips with others can be enriching. Mix it up. Don't be afraid to explore variations within your hobby. For example, if you enjoy painting, try different styles or mediums. Meditation and mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness into your hobby time. It can enhance your relaxation and focus. The Mind Might Challenge. At Mind Might, we believe in the power of challenges to expand our minds. So, here's your challenge. Choose a hobby that intrigues you the most and commit to it for the next 30 days. Document your journey, share your progress with us, and let us know how it's impacting your well-being. We hope this video has ignited your passion for discovering the power of hobbies. Make sure to subscribe to Mind Might for more insightful content that will empower your mind and enrich your life. Our next video is right around the corner, so stay tuned. And remember, your mind might be your most incredible asset. Let's explore it together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in our next video where we delve into the limitless possibilities of the human mind. Until then, keep exploring the Mind Might within you. Hobbies have the incredible power to transform lives. So, go ahead, pick up that paintbrush, plant some seeds, or embark on that exciting hiking adventure. And remember, Mind Might is here to guide you on your journey to a more fulfilling life.